What's going on, everyone? This is G20 Storm, and we've got another one for you today. We got a rear carbon fiber spoiler, follow me, for the Model 3 Performance. Just kidding, it's not really a performance, but that's what you're gonna think it is when this bad boy is on here. Look at that. By the way, this is a simple, clean install, real easy to do. That's why I saved this one for last. But tell me what you guys think. We got carbon fiber on black. Looks slick, super clean design. Gives it that nice little extra kick. This one's gonna be really easy to install. It comes pre-installed with double-sided tape. You just need to make sure that you peel on the sides. A pretty obvious fit here. You do get tape so you can kind of measure and know that you're putting it exactly where it's supposed to, because it can wiggle a little bit left or a little bit right. You want to make sure that it's perfect on both sides. But right now it's super windy and dusty, and so we're getting a lot of dust into the car. We need to make sure that we wipe this all off, make sure that we clean it with alcohol, and then use our adhesive promoter to wipe it down before we actually install this, right? But before we do that, we're gonna actually just lay it down, and I'm going to use painter's tape to go ahead and kind of mark the edges and the corners so that we know exactly where to put the spoiler once we put it on. All right, so let's go ahead and get the tape, and then I'll come right back. Here we have this pretty much where it needs to go, and so I'm gonna be using this tape to just kind of use it as a guide so I know exactly where it needs to land. See how like right there it kind of moved a little bit, and if you miss it by a little bit, it'll stay lifted. So you want to make sure that it's exactly where both sides are sitting flush. And so then you just use this tape as a form of a guide. And so since that's where it's gonna go, I just put it like that and then like this. And that way I know where the end needs to land. And I'll do that on this side as well, where I'm gonna put this right there and then go ahead and put this one right around here, and then right here. And again, this is just so that I know exactly where I need to put it, right? And so that'll sit flush. The next thing that you want to do is make sure that you peel a little bit of the edges, wipe this down with alcohol, and then press. Put put painter's tape to hold it in place, and then you'll be set. All right, so we can throw some alcohol in here. I like to get it super wet, and then I just kind of go in here and wipe this all down. Again, guys, there is so much dust right now, so I need to be kind of quick with this so I can add that in there. All right, so here we're just getting the tips, guys, and we're going to peel just a little bit so that we have tabs that we can pull from. I like doing it from both sides because sometimes they can rip on you, and that way you can be able to pull from the other side. I'm gonna throw all of these downwards, and then I'll just be able to pull from there. I'm gonna give it one more wipe because it is getting a lot of dust as I'm waiting around to put this on. But go ahead and do this real quick. And then very carefully bring this in, put it side to side where it belongs. Right there. You don't want to push too much just yet. You want to start peeling. Woo! And start peeling carefully, just with a little bit of resistance. There we go. Make sure it's in the correct spot, right around there. And then now you can start putting the pressure so that it actually gets stuck with the adhesive. And then once it's on, guys, that's pretty much it. But what we're going to do is we're going to put double-sided tape. It's gonna go, not double-sided tape, but painter's tape that goes all the way through like this. But before I do that, I wanna get you guys some clips of what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that, and then I will put the painter's tape. Let's go ahead and remove these.
I have these little clips on here for like the little car seats and shit.
And then we'll remove this ones right
I
here.
also have these for the front.
There we go. Let's give it a quick little wipe down. And that is the final look. What do you guys think? This is the end now where we finished. We got the rear spoiler on the Model 3, and we also got the front lip as well. So let's go ahead and show you all the front lip real quick. We've got the front lip down here. Ah, it's tracking my face. There it is, front lip. So again, if you guys are interested in the rear spoiler or the front lip, just make sure you go to EV Base, use code G20Storm, guys. They've been super helpful with partnering up with me and providing me stuff so that I can show to you guys, and it's been helping with my YouTube channel. And if you guys want to see more products or more items, just make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video, and let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll go ahead and make it. I also want to do a real quick video of the differences between the Model 3 and the Model Y. If you guys are interested in that, but we got the Model 3 right here. We got the red Model Y and another Model Y back there, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.